Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add your bank details in your Wise account. So firstly open up your browser, then simply log into your account if you have one. Then just simply click on recipients. Now what you have to do is just simply click on add your bank account, then choose your currency. For me it's gonna be INR. Then fill up your bank details like your IFSC code, account number or whatever detail might be for your country. After doing all of that, just simply press confirm. So after you have entered your bank details, after filling up your account details, Wise will send you two transactions, and what you have to do is just simply enter the two amount that was received in your bank account from Wise. After entering those amount, your bank will be added. So after all of the process is completed, it should look something like this, where you will find a column called your account, and under that you will find the account that you just created with all of the details. And to receive payments, you just need to give your account number, your IFSC code, and your name to the sender, and then he can send the payment to you. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.